In this video, I will show you how to turn off all email notifications on Pinterest. Open up your Pinterest account. Press on this little down arrow and select Settings. Come over to the left and push on Notifications. We got this option here, by email. Press on Edit here. We have all these notifications we currently get from Pinterest through emails. If you want to turn these all off, select this option, Turn Off All. Then save. This should be enough to stop Pinterest sending you annoying emails. And that's how you do it, guys. How to turn off all email notifications on Pinterest.